This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Angelina Ballatore. Welcome to maintenance-free living in the center of town. This lovely 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom townhome in Lenox Place is move-in ready. All new interior paint, new LVP flooring in the living and dining room, updated primary bathroom and shower, updated half bathroom, 2020 water heater and brand new fireplace insert. The main floor features the large kitchen, dining, half bath and great room that has French doors leading out to the patio overlooking Hogtown Creek. Upstairs features the primary bedroom with an ensuite updated bathroom and huge walk-in closet, as well as the second bedroom with its own bathroom and tub shower combo. The laundry closet is also conveniently located upstairs. Another highlight of this home is the attached one-car garage with room for a vehicle and extra storage. The HOA covers all exterior maintenance and the dues also include a community pool. Lenox Place is conveniently located 2.2 miles to the University of Florida, 4.5 miles to Shands Hospital, 2.1 miles to HCA North Fl. Hospital, 1.0 miles to Westside Park, 1.1 miles